Hey guys, Ivy Bule here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a top knot bun tutorial. So let's get into it. I am starting off with freshly washed hair and I'm just combing my hair to prepare it. Next up, I'm going to be using Isoplus styling gel. I'm applying the styling gel on my hair, massaging it throughout the rest of my hair. Make sure you get the styling gel into your hair so that when we comb our hair, it will be slick and smooth. I am using my red tail comb just to comb my hair, slick it down so that it can be perfect when we use our scrunchie. Yep. I am taking my scrunchie and creating a small ponytail. It should look like that. Next up, I'm using my Brazilian wool hair, comb it through, and it should look something like this. Long lashes, and this is how our ponytail should look. Attach your ponytail into your hair. Make sure it stays there, okay? We don't want it to move. Now start by wrapping the hair around your hair. Twist it as you wrap it around. If you don't have Brazilian wool hair, you can actually do the same hairstyle with braiding hair. It will be perfect. The results will be the same. Keep twisting the hair and wrapping. We are almost at the end. This is a lot of arm work, girls, so get into it. Okay. And this is how our bun should look like, luscious and slick. As we're about to get into the end, I am going to be using Got to Be Glue Freeze Spray just to slick down the flyaways at the end and making sure that our hair does not move. A disclaimer: when you do this hairstyle, please do not make it too tight because we don't want to have a migraine, girl. And this is how our final results should look like. This is such a cute hairstyle. It's quick, 10 minutes. You can do this for school, for work, or any day that you want to do it. It's very quick, very easy, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you can share the video with a friend, I would really appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye. God bless.